if you're new using Figma, or no, just started using Figma, or just started learning UI UX, this is for you. This is just the basic prototyping. To start, click prototype and see the prototype that I made. But for me, it's better to know this, the settings of all of the settings that I created, and this and the animation. Here's the sample prototype that I created. To start, let's just delete the flow starting point that I created first, and then let's go create a new flow starting point. To do that, click the screen that you want to start the flow. Click flow starting point. We can rename it here, or we can rename it here. Start. We have our custom size, or you can choose here in the screens that Figma created. You can also check it here in the design screens in the desktop. We also have phone and tablet and other presentation, but for now I'll going to show how to present in website. So desktop 140 by 1024, but for us we have 1440 to 1400. We can also change the background here from black to different colors. For example, gray. I want it to be gray, and it's now gray. But for better presentation, it's better to have the black. But that's on you. There. If you want to interact a certain button or a link, you can drag it. Let me delete it first. You can drag it to the screen that you want to interact it with. Here's the sample settings. You can click none, so you can again delete it, or go back. Click on drag while hovering, while pressing key gamepad, mouse enter, mouse leave, mouse down, mouse up. But for us, it's better to have on click. But here's the sample for on drag. See, there's on drag here. Here's the sample for on drag. You have to drag the button, so it will lead to the next screen. Let's go back. Here's the sample on click. Click. Here's the sample. Here's the next screen. You can also change this animation here to instant, dissolve, smart animate, move in, move out, push, slide in, slide out. Here's the sample instant. Let's go back. Instant. Here's the sample dissolve. Here's the sample smart animate. Here's the sample move in. You can also check the sample. I mean the samples animation here. It has a preview here. solve smart animate example. You can also choose the different animation here. Is in, is out, is in, out, is in, back, gentle, quick, bouncy, slow. Here's a sample bouncy. Or you can manually interact it with the next screen. For example, click if you want that, click the button that you want, or click the text or the illustration. That's on you. Click the button, click interaction, on click, on drag. That's on you. Navigate to, change to. This is the settings that we created earlier is navigate to, but I want to show the change to. Here's the change to. Variant, first button, cancel. But since this is from design system, we can do that, the change to. Since the button will change to different buttons here from design system that I created. Sorry about that. But I can also show that change to. Wait, first button, cancel. I wanted to change to cancel. Here's the sample design for that. Wait a minute. Sorry about this one. Change to variant 1, cancel. I wonder why it didn't change. Alright, let's restart. Let's click on click and then navigate to what screen that do you want. Is it to sign up screen, sign up field, welcome user? But for me it's sign up, since this is the sign up button. Navigate to sign up button. Here's the sample sign up button. So sign up. How about the other animation? I just click instant. That's on you. If you wanted to dissolve, smart animate, move in, move out, push, slide in, slide out. How about the other animation? We also have pop-ups. If you know pop-ups are important for designs. For example, here's a sample pop-up. Sign up. This is a sample pop-up, right? So to do that, let's restart the animation by clicking this icon, the minus icon. Sign up, drag it, sign up button, drag it to the pop-up note sign up, unclick, navigate to, let's change that to open overlay. If you want it to center, in the top left or bottom center. For me, bottom center should be used using mobile. I can also show that later. But for us, it's better to be center, or we can also do the manual. The manual, here's the sample manual. Here, you have to manual it. Where do you want to put it? But for me, it's better to be centered. Since this is website, pop-up should be in the center. There are other settings here. Close when clicking outside. Here's the sample close when clicking outside. Let's go click it. Click the click at the outside of the pop-up. But for better presentation, it's better to disable it. So whenever you click it will it won't close. Add background behind overlay. This is important for us since it's better to highlight the pop-up here, right? Or you can disable it, and then there won't be behind overlay here, background overlay. I mean, you can customize it into 100 opacity, or just 20, 10. Here's the sample, 10 opacity. But for me, 25 is better. So when presenting, the user or the one that you're going to present can see the design behind the pop-up here. You can also choose other colors here, and you can change the animation here. For me, this should be move in. Bouncy, no. For me, it should be is in. Here is the sample. Sorry, a sample. That's the sample animation when moving in. There's also another pop-up which is swap overlay. Or there's also a close overlay. Here's a sample swap overlay. To do that, just change from open overlay to swap overlay, and then that's on you if you want to change the animation here. Again, here's the sample. Continue. Swap overlay. Done. If you want to do the close overlay, here's the if you also want to create a back prototype. So sorry, delete this. If you just want to click the button and then go back to the previous screen, you can drag it here to back, or manually choose an option here. Close overlay, swap, overlay, back. Scroll to menu. I think this is a sample website for prototyping. So I think that's about it. Sorry, for the back button, here's a sample again. This one, drag it to back or manually add it. Interactions, click, unclick, none, open overlay, close overlay, back. So when clicking the cancel button here, it will go back to the previous screen. Sign up, cancel. I think that's about it for prototyping website. Here's the sample prototyping using mobile. You can choose the device. Wait, let's check the sizes here. 414896. 414896. Oh, iPhone 11. That's iPhone 11. Just go where check the sizes, so you can present it better. For example, I chose iPhone 11 Pro, and then I click the presentation. Again, you can click it here if you have had other flows, or just click the presentation here. It's not the right size, right? So the better size is iPhone 11 here. See, it's the right size. You can also choose the model. If it's black or white. Again, you can. This is only for mobile. You can also choose this background. That's on you. Click any button that is that you can click here. So you can present it better to the user or client, and it's better to present it using the mobile presentation. This is again. Thank you for listening and watching. If you want questions, if you have questions or anything, let me know, so I can show another style of prototyping. Oh, sorry. Let me show you another flow here. Sorry, flow 2. When choosing flows, you can click the button here. The sidebar will show up. Flow 1, flow 2. See? You can also add descriptions. You can close it. You can add comments. Give feedback to the if you want, if this is collaboration, you can add the feedback. I guess that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, ask away. If you want to if you want another sample for other sizes, which is wait, different screen, yep. Frame, I mean, tablet, phone, presentation, watch, paper, social media, let me know. I'm open to create another presentation. Thank you. Bye.